Is Mom's life worthless?
In the grand scheme of things, yes.
Debbie.
How could you say those things? How could you say that about Mom? Liar!
For the first time in your life, I'm telling you the truth. You want to die for this planet? Fine. What's 17 more years?